With the friction one, the plus work, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yes. So the question is, what does this mean? Or
Friction, yeah.
okay, do you see that please, there are two different kinds of systems in which stuff happens. There is a perfect system where everything could go on for eternity, and then there's a realistic system where friction uses up energy.
Bless you.
This is the perfect system, where like if you put a marble in a bowl and let it go, you know how it'll do this? In the perfect system, that would happen forever. But in reality, that doesn't happen. So the difference between this and the real system is the work done by friction. Okay? But so unless you see the word friction, okay, unless you see the word friction, don't use that. So basically, every problem has this. And if you see the word friction, boom. Or if you see the variable mu. If you see mu or friction, bam, you put W in. That's it. Okay? Because conceptually, what that means is this, similar to, I don't want to make a political joke, sorry. This bleeds off the energy. So when it's this, just these two, the energy just goes back and forth. But when there's this, the energy gets sucked away into something else, into heat, into whatever. And then these two eventually become zero. Okay? So for this, MEI equals MEF. So, let's see. Randy, what energy does it have in the beginning at point A? Potential. Anything else?
Kinetic energy?
Very good. It has initial potential and it has initial kinetic. Does everyone see that? Because they told you it has a velocity. If something has V, boom, right away, kinetic energy. You don't even have to think about it. V, boom, kinetic energy, for sure. Now, that's going to equal Raymond. Well, it's not going to equal Raymond, but Raymond. Oh, there it is. Raymond, what type of energy does it have at point B? Kinetic and potential? Okay, very good. Whoops. Okay, now you just use your formula sheet and start subbing. Oh, but you should sub correctly. So this becomes mghi plus 1/2 mvi squared equals 1/2 mv final squared plus mgh final. And of course, right away, you can cancel out all the masses. All right, and then what are we looking for? V final. So then we isolate that, and you know what? I'm going to multiply everything. I'm going to multiply everything by 2, so that I can kind of make. So it's 2ghi plus vi squared equals vf squared plus 2ghf. And now I just want to get vf by itself, so I subtract from both sides, and I get vf is equal to the square root of vi squared plus 2ghi minus 2ghf. Look at what that comes out to be. Vf is equal to the square root of vi squared plus 2g delta h. Okay, and so just plug everything in. Vi is 2, so that's 4. G, I just used 10, so that's 20. And the difference between the two is 8 meters. So the 8 times 20 is 160 plus 4, 164, and whatever the square root of that is. What is it? 12.7. And there you go. You have it. Questions?